Fairfax County Public Library is celebrating Black History in February and all year long. The library is focusing on the importance of using historical census records for tracing your family history, including those of African Americans. The census records are really great for determining where your family ancestor might have lived, where they were living, when they lived, who was living with them at their household, what kind of occupations they had, and if you look at the 1930 census, you can even see if they owned a radio set. To access these census records, all you need is a Fairfax County Public Library card, and you can access any of the library databases such as Ancestry.com or Heritage Quest to view these census records. The Virginia Room is a great repository of where we preserve these manuscript collections, photograph collections of African American families or other families in Fairfax County. The original materials such as photographs, maybe diaries, letters, correspondence, things like that. And we preserve it here in the Virginia Room because we want to make sure this story is preserved and made accessible to future researchers down the road. The Virginia Room is honored to preserve these collections from the African American community and all communities within Fairfax County. Fairfax County Public Library will be celebrating Black History all month long and all year long with a variety of programs, classes, and events. For further information, visit the Fairfax County Public Library events page on their website.